Hey guys, before we start this video, I just got this Christmas tree that I ordered from Amazon, and I wanted to take it out of the box and see how it looks and share it with y'all in case anyone is looking to buy a new Christmas tree this year. You can kind of see how it looks and see if it's worth buying, and it turned out to be really pretty, so I will link this down in the description. Should we sing Christmas songs?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. You're a good one, Mr. Grinch.
You are Mr. Grinch, aren't you?
I am.
You're not as Grinchy as you used to be.
You're a good one.
I think you're a mean one, aren't you?
I'm a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
What is it? Yeah. Not a good one. Yeah, I don't think I'll get copyrighted for that.
Probably not. No, that's saying.
They will have no clue what that song is.
Yeah, I'm a good one, Mr. Grinch. Not a bad one. Not a mean one. I'm a good one, Mr. Grinch. Pretty little tree.
And now on to our video. And this is a video I previously made but never shared, so I thought I would go ahead and share it. It just seems like everybody started decorating like even earlier than usual this year. I feel like they just skipped over everything and went straight to Christmas. The first piece I'm adding to the entryway is this very heavy reindeer and sleigh. As soon as I saw it in the store, I was like, yes, you are coming home with me. I just thought it was so pretty. Next up are these cone trees. And last year I shared a video on how to make several different kinds of cone trees. So if you didn't get to watch that video, I will add a link in the description. And it's good, so you should go watch it after you finish this one. So after adding these trees, I didn't like how they look just sitting flat. So I decided to add these candle holders underneath them. And I have a whole collection of candle holders that I've thrifted or I've picked them up from random stores. And I'm always grabbing them to raise my decorations. I very rarely use them for candles. I thought it was perfect. It made them look so much better. Okay, now we're just going to add some fairy lights to the sleigh. And I left some of the fairy lights hanging out so that I could weave them throughout the greenery. And I love these stems. They look so real. I decided to add this black velvet ribbon and just tied a simple bow around his neck. And I love the black candlesticks with the black ribbon and the greenery and the color of the trees. I just love that color combination. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, so moving down to the bottom, I added this real looking greenery. I love how this garland looks, and I picked this up from Marshall's, and I just love that it looks real and it's soft and not scratchy like some garland. So next I'm going to add these wood presents, and I made these years and years ago. They are just very simple. It's just a piece of wood that's painted, and you just wrap a bow around it, and you have a cute little present. I probably made these over 10 years ago, and I still love them and still decorate with them. And I should have fluffed the greenery before I added the little presents, but it's all good. So we'll just fluff a little bit, make it look better. And of course, to finish it off, we have to add our lights. For the fireplace, I always start by wiping everything down. And I had this picture that I wanted to put above the fireplace, but it felt like it was too small. And I had an old frame, so I just hot glued my picture to the frame to make it larger. And I have a small obsession with reindeer, and I want to buy every single one that I come across. I'm using command hooks to hold my garland. And I might also have a small obsession with bells. Let's just say I have a whole obsession with Christmas. It's always been my favorite. Now I'm just adding a basket to the bottom, and it would be so cute with a blanket draped over it. It would be like really cozy. But I'm going to be adding some greenery stems and pine cones. And I added grocery bags into the container to raise everything up because it was all falling down to the bottom. So I just used grocery bags in the bottom.
Three, two, one. Yay!
You can do the white lines. Make it wide. Boom.
Yeah!
Now you're making it multicolored.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas. I will see you in the next one.
And that's a wrap with Susan on the set of the Besharse Christmas movie.
I got producer. My assistant.
The assistant producer.
The hype man.
The props guy.
Here.
Besharse Christmas special. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.